or what. Pero she's now okay. We're just dealing lang with some things na yun. Ang hirap na magsalita. Pero she's okay. Ang story kasi noon, she fell twice sa monkey bar. So that happened to her. She, unang fall niya sa face, nagka-bruise siya, dinala sa clinic. Tapos she went back again. So she fell. Ang bumagsak yung head na niya. So we have to rush her sa hospital kasi suka siya ng suka. Then she's so pale, she's so dizzy. She's having headaches na. Tapos, ayun, she needs to be, kailangan na siya ma-dextrosan kasi, para baka ma-dehydrate siya. So yeah, but she's now okay. Thank God. The good part naman is at least her CT scan and mga tests sa kanya are all fine. Nakalabas na po siya. She's under observation for 1 to 2 weeks. Pero syempre kasi head trauma. So yun.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.